In this video I am going to show you how to solve the following problem. The crowd is standing in our FOH. But don't worry. There is an easy way to fix that. First, go to Create, 3D Object. Select, Cube. Then put it roughly where our FOH is located. The easiest way to adjust the size is to switch to CAD view. Now we make the cube the size of our FOH by click on the orange dots and drag them where we need it. Then we adjust the cube to make sure it's nice over the FOH space. This step is optional but might be helpful on bigger project. We label the cube so that we can find it later in the 3D hierarchy window. Back in the project view we see the dimension of the cube. The height doesn't really matter, but the footprint does, so ours is totally fine. Now you need to select the crowd and head over to the settings window. Go to the distribution tab and press the three little dots on the right of the label Empty Areas. Now select our NO crowd cube in the 3D hierarchy window, hold the left mouse button pressed and drag it into the new opened window with the title, Drop Objects Here. Press OK, and you'll see the effect. Now we need to remove the cube since we also don't want it in the FOH. Select it and again go to the Settings tab and unmark the Visible option. And that is it. We created a space and a mass crowd object for our FOH. You can put more than one objects into the crowd object to make more no-go areas. Don't forget to subscribe that you never miss any new quick tip. If you want a specific topic to be covered in future videos, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.